What is the Opium Bird or Erosion Bird? This weird-looking images surfaced on TikTok in September 2023, featuring AI-generated images of a large bird-like entity on a snowy mountain. It gained traction thanks to other faux cryptids like Siren Head, especially as users created more AI art around it. The moniker Opium Bird came about due to the creature's fur, resembling the aesthetic of rappers from the Opium label. Initiated by TikToker Audrey, the meme took off after a video showcasing AI-generated bird-like beings purportedly found in Antarctica. It further escalated when Audrey named them Opium Birds in a follow-up video, which garnered significant engagement. The community later adopted the name Erosion Bird, promoting it through reposts and hashtags. This meme is a part of the Memes from 2027 trend. Follow me for more AI news.